Trubor naga Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
MP Karaja Sabha na Meghalaya u Dr. W.R. Khalukhi. Hagas ni thoding ulapan pau hapok yang dorbar tauan Raja Sabha. Ya ka jing dawa ban Ithuh no ya ka Ktien khasi bat garu. Haba ai jingkren u Dr. Khalukhi ulaong bawat la ka Meghalaya kaladap sanpol Snem. Hynrei kampat dan pat ka Ktien nakanika Jylla ka balayo jing Ithuh haka kernet bapra jong kariti senchar kari India. Nalor kata u Dr. Khalukhi ulapan ken mau baka yang dorbar tauan jong ka Meghalaya kaladep ban penmi dakarai ban kintu ya ka sorkar India ban Ithuh no ya ka Ktien khasi bat garu. Namar kata ula kintu bahau ni Snem jong ka jubilik siar ka Jylla ka sorkar India kadai ban ai jing Ithuh no ya ka Ktien khasi bat garu.
Northeast schedule. Please.
Well, my state, Meghalaya, had already celebrated 50 years of statehood, sir, on the 21st of January, 2022. Sir, Meghalaya comprises of two ethnic groups, Khasi, Jaintia and the Garos, who speak different languages. But the sad part is, sir, that in spite of the demand made by the people, and a resolution was passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, nothing was done, sir. Today, we are a state of 50 years, but without a recognized language. Sir, I appreciate your wishes that you used to express in this august house in favor of having members expressing themselves in the house in their own language. Sir, I take this opportunity to request you, through your good office, sir, to impress upon the government that though 50 years we are a state without a language,
right,
but at least on attaining 50 years of statehood, the government may recognize us by including the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hynrei.